Here I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar. Here you have to find the button battery saver. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn off when your battery is up to 19% charged. And you can also set a schedule for it based on your percentage. For example, when your battery is 15%, it will automatically turn on power saving mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.